Things that I purchased on Just Fab. If you haven't checked out that website, do so, because they've got some great shoes, handbags, and everything on the website is $39.99, and it's really great shipping, and it arrives really fast, and I'm really impressed with this this website. And this is the box that it comes in. I got 4 pairs. The first pair is called Bethania, and that one is this blush colored pump, and it's quilted and patent leather, and it's a double platform. So it comes with this shoe spacer, and it also comes with an extra heel if you wear this one down, as well as a shoe bag to protect your shoes when you put them in the closet, which I find is really great. The next one here is called the Ramila, and I love nude shoes. It just elongates the leg, and it just goes with everything, and I really like the fact that this one had a cap toe on it with the black peep toe, cap toe quilted. It reminds me of like the Chanel bag, just like the other one. So I got these ones. So I got a blush and a nude. And I got a pair for the holiday, which are red satin type of shoe. And the back is really cute. It's got like this corset with the bow. And I'll get a lot of use out of this one. It'll look fantastic with a little black sweater dress, or a red top with a black skirt. Like, I could just, it's so versatile, just that pop of color. And the boots that I've been wearing like every single day, because they're so comfortable, are these ones I got from Just Fab, and these ones are called the Sean. They've got 2 buckles here, a zipper, another buckle on the side. They're very flattering. They're in between a gray and a brown, like a taupe, and they kind of have like a weathered look, and they're really I've had a lot of compliments, like when I've worn them out to the mall and stuff. People ask me where I got them. So yeah, you guys should check it out, and that concludes my Just Fab haul. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.